it's Samantha Erica here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this wig that I was sent from Elva Hair Wigs, and Christian is right here and he just said hi, so you guys probably heard him. But yeah, I was sent this wig from Elva Hair Wigs, and that's the box that it came in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the wig and give you guys my first impression of this wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide off the label. You want to hold this? Here. And I'm gonna unbox the wig. So it just came in a bag, a plastic bag, and that's what it looks like. And it also came with a weaving cap. And it also has this flyer in it with all the wigs that they carry. Well, some of the wigs, because if you go to their website, they actually have a lot more wigs than what's on this paper here. But it has some of their raw virgin human hair wigs. Take a look. That's what that looks like. And also in the box, oh, they actually sent some fake eyelashes, so that's really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the wig and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, what's that? So that's what the wig looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the mesh that's covering it. So it is a full lace wig, and this wig is the curly Brazilian Remy hair wig. So I'll leave all the info for this wig in the description box down below and the link so you guys can go and check it out. But that's what the hair looks like. It's actually very soft. It's very light, and I like that it's not that shiny. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see the curl pattern. That's what the hair looks like. It's very pretty hair, and like I said, it's a full lace wig. That's what it looks like on the inside, and it has clips as well. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on the inside. And it also has an adjustable elastic band that you can use to tighten it as well. So that's what it looks like. That's what the front of the wig looks like. It is a pre-plucked, and you could definitely tell that it's pre-plucked because the hairline of the wig, you can see that it's a lot thinner than the rest of the wig. So that's what the hair looks like. It does have a bit of a smell. It definitely needs washing. Yeah, it definitely needs washing. It does have a pretty strong smell to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash her before I put her on my head. I just finished installing the hair, and this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty. I'm very happy with it. I love the length of the hair and the texture of the hair. This hair is 20 inches long and it's a curly textured hair. That's what it looks like. And I think it's 130% density. It's a very light and flowy. That's what it looks like in the back. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in the front. I'm actually really happy with how natural I was able to get the lace to look in the front, because this is a 360 lace wig. So it has lace in the back. I'm not putting it up, so I didn't bother to stick it down in the back, but that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. It does have clips all the way around the perimeter of the hair, so it's very easy to attach to your head. You really don't need glue with it, but I do have my, where is it? My Got To Be Ultra Glued Gel in the front that I use to stick the lace down. So that's all I did. I washed the hair and left it to air dry, and then I added my moisturizer to it, and that's what it looks like. I'll come close so you guys can see the curl pattern. That's what it looks like. So far it's really good. If I run my fingers through it, it does not shed a lot at all. Like I just got, I don't know if you guys can see, but I just got one strand of hair from running my fingers through it, and I did brush this and I did comb this hair out with my fingers while I was washing it, and I did show you guys how much shedded hair that I got when I washed it. But yeah. If you guys did want to check out this hair, I'll leave all the information for this hair in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any hair from their website, I have a few coupon codes that I'll leave in the description box down below as well, so you guys can save some money, because who does not like saving money? So you guys can check that out. Anyways guys, that is the end of today's video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscription button down below and the little bell next to it so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!